Is this another day? I don't know. It feels different. Right, in my quest to make life easier, I've got something else I'm going to show you here. This is I can hardly say this, but it looks like a TQ0QT, and it's not a engineer's handbag. It's actually a cordless angle grinder, and you might say, well, why the hell do you want one of them? Well, these things are very handy to have. I don't use one often, but it's always handy to have one. Right, so that's that excitement out of the way. Let's have a look what's in the box. So in the box, just so you can get this to focus, we have the destruction manual, which I will look at in a bit. It comes with 2 grinding discs, very nice. 2 fake Makita batteries that these things always come with on Temu, and that's nice to know that they are fake Makitas, because your real Makitas will work with these once these mystery batteries pack in. And these are both 1500 milliamp hour apparently, 27.75 watt hour, and they're both exactly the same size. Look at that. One's distinctly bigger than the other one, but I don't really care as long as they work. And when they pack in, I'll use me Makita batteries or me Einhell Makita adapter or whatever. We have a guard for the device, very important to make sure you use one of these. If a disc shatters, it'll protect you from getting all the bits of the disc embedded into you. A tool for removing the discs and replacing them. One of these weird little battery chargers that they give you, that'll become obsolete once these batteries die, and they go on to using the Makita battery. And then the grinder device itself, which I must say is really sturdy and well made. Everything seems absolutely rock solid on this, and there's different power settings. There's an on-off and different speed settings, which is great. And you have your usual, let's have a look, safety switch. You have your usual safety switch on the side, and then you have the attachments that can be attached on the left or the right hand side. Now, just why did I get such a device? I've had one for years. I had a B&Q own brand one that was mains charged. Mains, yeah, you plugged it into the mains one. This is cordless. Why did I get one? Is it something that I heard that the ladies like? No, it isn't. Anyway, we had a veranda here at the back gateway, and not a veranda, an archway here at the back gateway. And the first storm of the year, it took a nosedive into the garden, and I carefully placed it right here. This twisted metal mess is what's left of the archway. So I thought, I'll get myself a new grinder. Yes, it's from Temu. It only cost about 26 quid, but I'll get back to you on the price, and of course I'll leave a link at the end in the description. So I'm going to cut that up into little pieces, put it in a bag and put it in the bin, because it won't fit in the back of my car like that. See, having a grinder is quite handy. Before you start doing anything like this, make sure you're all safe. I've got my hair tied back, I've got some safety goggles which I might not wear, I've got my glasses on, and magic gloves. Don't forget to wear the magic gloves. So there you have it, the Makita cordless grinder that I got by, let me have a look, TQ0QT. Oh, the first T, it's got a little hammer as the, looks like the letter T, but you can't see that on this camera. Maybe you can. Yeah, the whole thing is, it feels really sturdy, very, very solid, and as you've seen from the video, it works fantastically. I'm extremely happy with it. It works really well. The different speed settings are great. I think I just had it on full speed. The discs that came with it are really thin, not, you know, they're not the best, but I'm going to use them, and once they're done I'll use some proper good quality discs, grinding discs with this, and the sanding pads that you get, that'll work with this as well. So I'm really happy with this. It's great. The batteries work, but the charger didn't. I've used other chargers that I got with Temu stuff to charge it. I made a comment on my review, but I've not heard anything from the seller. But hey, it's Temu. What was the price of this thing? Well, I paid £24.57, and I think it's an absolute bargain on that price, and it works fantastically. I did say, hey, it's Temu before, and I don't think that's really fair, because I've been buying quite a few things off Temu, and I think they're a bargain price, and I've not had a complaint with any of them really. Alright, the charger didn't work with this, but I can always use my Makita batteries and all the fake Makita battery and charger stuff that I've got from other Temu stuff. So yeah, I highly recommend this. There's loads of them all over Temu, but this is a TQ0QT or TQOQT. I don't know. I don't even know how you pronounce that. So £24.57, free postage, and this was in the UK, and it took about 2 days to get here.